Today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Draw tool. So if you've never used Google Draw, or if you are lost about how to use it, this video is for you. So this video is simply for you to look at in order to learn how to do your collage assignment for today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add a title. So in order to do that, you have to insert a text box. So in order to do that, you go up to this little box with the T in it, and it'll tell you that it's the text box. Click on it. Your cursor will turn to a cross, and which alerts you that you're ready to draw your text box. Draw it in. You can then change your font and your font size. You can center it. Okay. All right. The next thing you're going to do is insert images. And so in order to do that for this video, we're going to search the web. Now, if you had pictures saved on your computer, you could upload it from your computer. But for this assignment, we're just simply going to search the web. Okay? So in order to search the web, to insert pictures, you're going to go to Insert, Images. And if you had, like I said, pictures on your computer that you saved, then you would click Upload from Computer, but we're today going to search the web. And so let's say I wanted to find pictures of dogs. I'm going to type it in, and I'm going to insert the pictures that I want. And so I have that picture. And of course, you're going to probably have to resize your pictures. And so I have a picture right here. And then we're going to go back to Insert, Images, Search the Web. And so my pictures come back up again. If ever you wanted to search for something else, you just simply erase. Let's say I wanted to insert a cat. You simply erase what you had the first time and cat. That's a cute little cat. And insert. And again, resizing it. I like mine about the same size, but you do it however you want it. All right, I'm going to insert images, search the web. I want a bird this time. And let's find a picture of a bird. Let's do that one. Insert. Okay, and so you're going to continue inserting pictures until you have your 10 images for your assignment. The next thing you're going to want to do is, for 5 of those assignments on your collage, you're going to want to write about those. You're going to describe how 5 of your images represent being a good citizen. And so, again, you're going to have to insert a text box. So go to the T with the box. You can also click Insert Text Box. I just find it easier just to click right here. And so I'm going to insert a text box up underneath that one. And I'm just going to write, and this is where you would just write about your image. And I'm just going to put showing you how. This is a cute dog. And then I'm going to insert another text box. And another text box. Okay, so just randomly, I'm randomly putting things, but you won't, of course. So this is how you do it. Okay, make sure again you have 10 images for your assignment, and for 5 of those images you talk about how those images represent being a good citizen, and that you also have a title. All right, that's it.